Okay, I'm going to be doing live eye swatches of the Colourpop Cloud Spun palette, which I have been obsessed with. Okay, so this first shade, I tried to use it on my lid. It didn't work very well. I think this is to be used mainly as a highlighter, but I will still try and put it all over my lid. So it is Chichle. That's probably what it is. Okay. This is definitely like a highlight only type of deal. Yeah. And that works a little bit better. Okay, let me spray it with some Fix Plus and see if that will do anything. A little bit. But yeah, I just don't feel like it's a lid color. Alright, next is probably my favorite shade in the entire palette. It is Cotton Cloud. And it's just like this icy pink. Ugh. Wait till you see this, baby. Oh, it's just like pure, beautiful pink ice. Alright, now let me spray it with some Fix Plus. Gorgeous. Here are the first two. And you can see like the difference in the pigmentation between the two. Like there's a huge difference. Okay, next we have Candy Fluff, and I like to use this as a transition shade. It's kind of like a light mauve. That's really pretty all over the lid too, like if you want to do a matte look. I was having trouble deciding if I should do this video or I was going to do an all matte look with like a Too Faced matte liquid eyeshadow I got in my BoxyCharm, because I actually did that look earlier today and I really liked it, but I actually tried to film this video the other day and it didn't record. My SD card was full and I didn't realize it, so I'm like, I'm going to go with this. Alright, so that is Candy Fluff. Next is another shimmer, and it is Pixie Stick. Really pretty. My cat needs surgery. He was diagnosed with hyperthyroidism and tried pills at first, and he would take them sometimes. So then I got the ear cream, and I just don't feel like either of them are doing anything. He's lost so much weight. He's like just bones, and he eats constantly. Like I feed him wet food like 5 to 6 times a day, and he's just bone. So I need to get his thyroid removed. All right, let me go back in with the wet brush. I feel like that's kind of making the shadow go away some. Okay, here are Candy Fluff and Pixie Stick. Okay, next we have a pressed glitter, and it is Flossy, and it's gorgeous. These do have quite a bit of fallout, but they're so gorgeous. And when I go back in with a wet brush, that actually kind of helps prevent some of the fallout because it helps it adhere to the lid. So let me do that. So gorgeous, look at that. Alright, next we're going to be going in with a matte shade called Pillow Mint. This is kind of like a pinkish coral. Oh, I love this shade. Oh my gosh, these two colors next to each other. I'm dying. Oh, so gorgeous. I actually think I might want to do this for my look at the end. Okay, so that's Flossy and Pillow Mint. Next we have Turkish Delight, And this is kind of like a deep pink, like rose color. I love it. This palette, so me. And it's just amazing. It's like only $12. It brings me this much joy. Oh my gosh, I ordered this Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette that I saw on the Morphe website. Oh, I'm so excited to get it. Okay, so next we have Colourpop, which is a shimmer. Ooh, I'm really liking this right now. It's really pretty, especially those colors together. All right, Turkish Delight and Colourpop. Okay, and lastly we have Bonbon, which is this hot pink. I love it. So let me take this off and then we will get into the look. Okay, I'm going to start off with Candy Fluff. I paused, like I didn't know I was going to use that as a transition shade. It's really the only one you can use, and put that in my crease as a transition shade, as I just said. I'm going to go in with a more tapered blending brush. This is an R38, I believe. And I'm going to go in with Pillow Mint. This kind of pinkish coral. And just put that a little tighter in the crease. Ooh, I just had a really good idea. Okay, now I'm going to this Moda brush and go in with Turkish Delight. And we're going to put that in the outer third of my eye. And I'm actually going to bring it into the crease too. Alright, so I had an idea. Hopefully it's a good one. I have this Fenty Beauty lipstick sitting right here. So, here's my idea. Let's put that on the lid as like a base. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with Colourpop. That's so pretty. I was going to use this color, Bonbon, but I changed my mind. I'm just going to put some of it in the outer corner. Alright, I'm going to go back in with a wet brush. For the lower lash line, first I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Pink of Me, which is like a light pink. These caps can be so hard to get off sometimes. Now I'm gonna go in with Pillow Mint, that coral color. I don't know what's up with that eyeliner. It was very dry. I'm going to highlight the brow bone with our highlight color, Chichle. See, it works for that. I have these eyeliners from JD Glow. I'm trying to decide if I want to use them. Maybe, let me see. Oh, that looks pretty. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and then I will be back to show you the completed look. Okay, so this is the completed look. For a lip, I used the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in Ballerina Blackout, what we put on our lid. And then I went over it with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream in Bubble Binge. I just went for the all pink vibe here. No holding back. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed these eye swatches and this look. I enjoyed making it. I will see you in my next video.